So we've got Chana Dal on the menu today. This is a really, really simple, easy recipe. It's vegan, it's vegetarian, it's spicy, it's Indian, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got like a tablespoon of coconut oil here. You could use a different oil if you want, but yeah, I'm gonna go for coconut. Just gonna melt that down. We're on and above medium heat. And just as that melts away, we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. I'll be back in about 30 or 40 seconds. Let the cumin seeds do their thing in the oil, then infuse it and give it a lovely flavor. Don't skip this part, it's very, very important. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of onion. And we're gonna go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Little bit of color coming on the onions there. Next up, we're gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some fresh chili. Now the fresh chili that I'm adding is that amount, and I'm putting them in pretty much whole. Chop them if you want. And then we're gonna go for our Chana Dal. So what I've got here is 3 cups of cooked Chana Dal. So that was 2 cups dried. Time you're boiling them up. I just boiled them in water, no salt, for about 6 minutes. You'll end up with 3 cups roughly. So stay on this kind of vibrant heat and let's go for another 4 minutes or so, getting this together. This is so easy and so delicious. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. You can buy it in many stores, get it online, or like us, we make our own because we use so much of it. Powders today, we're going to go 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 chili powder, 2 coriander powder. And again, we're going to go for 2 to 3 more minutes. I'll be stirring pretty much all of the time now. Once your powders are in, keep it moving. Marvelous stuff. Simply, we're now going to add 3 cups of cold water. We're on and above medium heat at the moment. We're going to turn that down to below medium and we'll let it go for 6 or 7 minutes. And you can see that this is been evaporating out somewhat. And you can get it to completely dry if you want, or I'm going to go here where we've got this amount of liquid in there. That's really tasty. Heat's off. Gonna add a little pinch of garam masala powder. Now garam masala powder, there you go, is like a finishing spice. It's a mixed spice added at the end. I'm also gonna add fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. We're gonna give that a mix. Taste that for your salt level. It's great for me, but we've got a really simple, beautiful little Chana Dal there. Really, really lovely. Really simple, delicious stuff. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.